I always reach my goals 100% of the time. How do I do that? Through specific actions and targets. If you want to reach your goals 100% of the time, I suggest you stay tuned for the rest of this video. Hey y'all, I'm Bethany Joy, and this is my channel dedicated to helping solopreneurs and small business owners up their digital marketing game. In the first two videos of this three-part series, we figured out what our Paramount Purpose was and what our goals and KPIs were. Now we are going to break that down even further into discrete targets and actions. Targets are the specific benchmarks that play a crucial role in achieving your long-term goals. They act as the stepping stones that bridge the gap between where you are now and where you want to be. To effectively utilize targets, start by revisiting the long-term goals we set in our last video. If you're not familiar with that discussion, no worries at all. I've linked it down in the description below. Once you've refreshed your understanding of these long-term goals, it's time to break them down into smaller, more manageable pieces. This process involves identifying key milestones that are necessary to achieve each long-term goal. It's like plotting a route on a map, planning not only the destination, but also the critical stops along the way. For example, if one of your long-term business goals is to increase your revenue by a certain amount within 3 years, you'll need to set specific goals for each year, each quarter, or even each month. These could include targets for sales, marketing campaigns, new client acquisitions, or product launches. By setting these intermediate targets, you make your long-term goal more approachable and less daunting. These targets should be SMART: specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, hold on, I forgot one. Specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound. Time-bound is the T. Sorry, so your goals should be SMART: specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound, just like your long-term goals. A specific target might be acquire 30 new clients by the end of the quarter. It's measurable in terms of the number of new clients, attainable with the right strategies, relevant to increasing revenue, and time-bound with a clear deadline. It's also critical to continuously monitor your progress towards these targets. Regularly checking in on your progress helps you stay on track, identify any areas where you may be falling short, and make necessary adjustments to your strategies. For example, if your goal is to increase your revenue by $100,000 in the next year, you could break that down into quarterly or monthly or even weekly goals. Say your current revenue is $0 because you're just getting started. These are all completely made up numbers from the top of my head, by the way. So that would mean you need to make $100,000 in the next year. So if you break that down into monthly goals, you would need to make approximately $8,340 a month. If you divide $8,340 by 4.5, which is about how many weeks there are each month, you get 1,854 approximately. So you need to make $1,854 each week to hit your monthly goal. If you have two products, say a course that costs $997 and a Notion template that costs $57, that means you would need to sell either 2 courses a week or 1 course and 15 Notion templates. So if I were you, I would set either a goal of selling the 2 courses or selling 1 course and 15 Notion templates, depending on which one is more realistic for your business. That was a lot of math, but to be honest, I kind of love that stuff. Next, I want to discuss taking actions. Setting specific actions is a crucial yet often overlooked step in making your targets a reality. While many advice blogs and videos talk a lot about setting goals, KPIs, and targets, they often miss out on the most critical part, the how. It's great to have ambitious goals and targets, but the key to success lies in your daily actions and habits that drive you towards these goals. Successful individuals don't just dream big, they act consistently and strategically. Every lofty achievement is the result of small, persistent steps taken every day. Your reality today is the lagging result of your actions yesterday. So let's explore how one could ensure the sale of 2 courses per week, for example. 1. Create a compelling free webinar. Develop a webinar that provides valuable insights related to your course content. This not only attracts potential customer, but also positions you as an expert in your field. The webinar should end with a strong call to action that leads attendees to purchase your course. 2. Develop lead magnets for email capture. These could be checklists, templates, email courses that resonate with your target audience. Offer these in exchange for email addresses. This is a powerful way to build your email list, which is a powerful asset for any digital entrepreneur. This brings me to number 3. Implement a strategic email marketing campaign. Once you have a list of potential leads, use email marketing to nurture the relationship. Share valuable content, insights, and stories that build trust and authority. Your emails should not just be about selling. They should add value, educate, and engage your audience. Gradually, lead them towards making a purchase decision for your course. 4. Leverage social media and online communities. Regularly post on social media and online communities related to your topic. Share snippets of your webinar, testimonials from satisfied customers, and teasers from your lead magnets. This increases visibility and drives traffic to your webinar or course landing page. 5. Track and analyze your efforts. Monitor how each of these actions contributes to your weekly goal of selling 2 courses. Which emails had the highest open rates? Which social media posts drove the most engagement? Which social media posts drove the most webinar signups? Analyzing this data will help you refine your strategy and make more informed decisions. Remember, the difference between a dream and a goal is the plan you put in place to achieve it. By integrating these specific actions into your daily routine and continuously refining your approach based on feedback and results, you'll be well on your way to turning your targets into tangible results. So take some time to carefully consider and outline the actions and targets for your long-term goals. Remember, every big achievement starts with taking small steps. And once you've set these targets and actions, share them. I encourage y'all to use the comment section to support each other in your respective journeys. By sharing your targets, you might inspire others and also get valuable feedback that could help you refine your approach. Let's embark on this journey together and turn our ambitious goals into reality. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Can't wait to see you in the next video. And remember, you craft your own story.